So you wanted to suppose run ads and grow your Instagram profile visit or getting call or link page. So click continue, then manual settings, and then here you can update your budget, daily or lifetime budget. Go next, and here your destination, Instagram or Facebook. So you can see the Instagram profile is selected. So you can change any Facebook pages. So go down and select here your detailed target, your country, your ages, switch all original audiences. So you can put here your age. Suppose you are promoting beauty products, so 18 to 35, all gender women, and here is beauty salon cosmetics, online shopping, skincare product. So you can select it and then go next, and you can push here your placement only in Instagram. Do next, and from here you can select your content which you have, or you can upload from here. So you can see uh, if I click here, just setting the existing content. So this ad goes to where? If I click advanced preview, then you can see the only goes to the Instagram, only goes to the Instagram. So if you wanted to promote your Instagram link, so what you can do, you have to come here your Instagram, like suppose you wanted to promote your product. So let me see here, and you can put remove your acne within 7 days. DM me to learn the hack of solution. Okay, you can rewrite through the chat GPT. So I have got it here. Adds copy, and you can see call to action, visit Instagram profile. So do next, and yeah, I wanted to change, but I don't want to change. Okay, and here is the AI content. So you can change or not, it doesn't matter. So you can click uncheck, unselect, so that only, and here the call to action where it goes to your Instagram profile, and you can put your tracking. I'll show you the later about the tracking part, because you can see now this goes to where Instagram profile. If I click, then you can see goes to Instagram profile. So customer can directly message to your Instagram through this way, and it helps to grow your Instagram followers and sales. specifically Instagram. You can take the people into your Instagram profile. So I hope you got the point. Thank you so much.